Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. We just had Halloween a while ago. Did you have an unforgettable holiday? Do you want to share your happiness? And do you know how to explain Halloween in Mandarin? Today we're going to talk about Halloween. First of all, I will first describe Halloween in Mandarin. If you want to understand the meaning at the same time, please turn on your subtitles. I will explain the content of this whole article later. Let's start with a scenario in which I was talking about Halloween in America. Are you ready? Let's go. 今年，我和我的家人在美国过万圣节。每一年的10月31日是万圣节。万圣节是个将鬼魂赶到地狱的节日。在古时候，人们相信这一天是一个神奇的时间，死者的鬼魂会回到人间，为了不让鬼魂看到自己，所以大家会把自己扮成可怕的鬼怪。后来，万圣节变成一整天的活动，在这天，每家都会做很多恐怖的装饰，每家的主人会准备很多糖果。这家的布置很特别，很受欢迎。这天，每个小朋友会打扮成魔鬼，他们会和家人一起提着南瓜灯笼或篮子，去每一个家敲门，收集糖果。他们会说，不给糖就捣蛋。Okay, let's start looking at each sentence. 今年，我和我的家人在美国过万圣节。This year, I spent my Halloween with my family in America. Okay, 今年 means this year. So, if you wanna say next year, 明年 or last year, 去年 OK, 今年明年去年 Then 万圣节 Halloween 节 means holiday, an official day when you do not have to go to work or school, like Thanksgiving Day, 感恩节 or 中元节 the Autumn Buddhist Ghost Festival in Asia, 万圣节感恩节、中元节。Alright, next, 每一年的10月31日是万圣节。Every year on October 31st is Halloween. 每 in Chinese means each, every. 每一天，每天 means every day. 每一次，每次 means every time. 每一个，每个 means each one. 个 is the generic classifier for people or for things, lacking specific classifiers. 每一位，每位 means everyone. 每一位，每位 is individual classification to describe a person, a polite way of saying. For example, you can say 每个苹果 each apple, 每位老师 each teacher. As for the pronunciation of the number 1, yi in Mandarin, you will have different tones for the convenience of pronouncing the following word. We discussed this in the video. You can also negotiate prices in Mandarin. You can check it out. Next, 万圣节是个将鬼魂 赶到地狱的节日。Halloween is a festival to drive the ghosts back to the sprite world. The Chinese character 将 means will, going to lead 将举行会议。The meeting will be held 将来当老师。Going to be a teacher. Then the character 鬼 means ghost. If you wanna make it clear, you can say 鬼魂。Okay, other terms that use the character 鬼 like 鬼屋 means ghost house, 鬼片 ghost movie. Then a word people often say hell, 地狱 terms related to it, 灵界 ghost world, 阴间 lower world, Akron. Next, 在古时候，人们相信这一天。In ancient times, people believed that this day. Okay, 在 means to exist, to be in, at, or to be the verb is followed by the in form. Like, you can say 在我家 at my house, 在吃饭 eating. Next sentence 是一个神奇的时间 is a magical time. 神奇 means magic. Terms related to it like 奇妙的 amazing, 魔幻的 magical. Then 时间 represents time. 你有时间吗？ Are you available? 我没时间 I don't have time. Next, 死者的鬼魂会回到人间 The ghosts of the dead will return to the human world. 会 means will, be able to, and to meet. We usually say 你会去吗 Will you go? 我会去 I will go. Okay, 人间 means the human world. Sometimes people will say 天上人间 We can translate as looks or feels like the human world in heaven. Or 游戏人间 Having fun in the world. Alright, 为了不让鬼魂看到自己 In order not to let the ghosts see you. Okay, 为了 means in order to. For, we usually say 为了爸爸 For my father. 为了孩子 For my child. 自己 means myself, my. If you want to make it clear, you can say 我自己 and sometimes we will say 自己人 my folks. Next, 所以大家会把自己扮成可怕的鬼怪 So people dress themselves up as scary ghosts. 可怕 scary 好可怕 very scary 太可怕了 so horrible. Then 鬼怪 means ghosts and monsters. In Chinese, 怪 means odd, so we will say 怪兽 monster. 他是怪人 He is a weirdo. Okay, next sentence. 后来万圣节变成一整天的活动 Later, Halloween became an all-day event. 变成 became, like you can say became to the werewolf 变成狼人 became Superman 变成超人 Then 活动 means activity like 社区活动 community activity 最新活动 latest activity. Next, 在这天每家都会做很多恐怖的装饰 On this day, every family will do a lot of scary decorations. Well, 恐怖的 means horrifying, Similar terms are like 害怕的 scare 吓人的 frightening. Then 装饰 means decorate decoration. The Chinese character 装 means wrap, dress, and install. 装饰品 ornament 装台电视 install a TV. Nest 每家的主人会准备很多糖果 The owner of each house will prepare a lot of sweets. Okay, 准备 means prepare. You can say 准备晚餐 prepare dinner. 准备资料 prepare materials. Nest 这家的布置很特别，很受欢迎。The decoration of this house is exceptional and very popular. 布置 means decorate, decoration. We usually say 场地布置 place decoration, 派对布置 party setting. Speaking of this, you may wonder, did we learn that 装饰 also has the same meaning as 布置 You can also use it as nouns and verbs. What's the difference between them? The meanings of the two terms, 装饰 and 布置 are very close, but when 布置 is used as a verb or a noun, it refers to a relatively large-scale quantity. In contrast, 装饰 refers to a relatively small-scale individual or amount. Then, 特别 special. For example, you can say 很特别的歌 very special song. 特别的画 special painting. Okay, 欢迎 can mean welcome, popular. When we see someone join our team or group, we say 欢迎你 or you might say 欢迎回来 welcome back. Next, 这天每个小朋友会打扮成魔鬼 On this day, every child will dress up as a devil. Alright, 魔鬼 devil. Similar terms are like 恶魔 demon, 恶鬼 a ghost that kills people. Next sentence, 他们会和家人 They will be with their family. Well, 和 means and with. 我和朋友 My friend and I. 我和同学 My classmate and I. Next, 一起提着南瓜灯笼或篮子 Carry jack-o'-lanterns or baskets together. 一起 means together. 一起唱歌 Sing together. 一起喝酒 Drink wine together. Then 提着 carrying with. 这 means continuation of an action. So sometimes we will say 拿着国旗 holding a national flag. 玩着手机 playing with a mobile phone. Okay, next sentence. 去每一个家敲门收集糖果 Knock on every door and collect candy. 收集 collect. For example, 收集印章 collect chops. 收集手表 collect watches. Next, 他们会说不给糖就捣蛋 They will say trick or treat. 捣蛋 means cause trouble. 捣蛋鬼 troublemaker. 老是捣蛋 always making trouble. Alright, that's all. Now you can also explain Halloween in Mandarin. Do you feel a sense of accomplishment? Leave me a comment. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. I hope to see you in the next video.